This is Ankilivalo Village, and I came here to visit the hospital. Salama. This is the hospital. Hello, hello. Patient waiting room. There's no mattress.
Yes.
Some of the patients are waiting on the tray. For medicine like Paracetamol, they have to take loans. This is the children's ward. This is the doctor's room. This is the midwife office. This room is full. We have 3 newly born babies. The patient has a broken jaw. Now he is being taken to the hospital in Morondava. There is no ambulance. It's coming along very nicely. Do another coat of red paint. How is it looking? Good? Okay. So the whole system is gonna cost us 15 million. So we bought the solar panels. This solar panel installation onto the ground looks impressive and is solid like rock. The solar panels are now hooked up. We have the light. Yeah! Did you see light? Turn it on. Turn this on. I have a light here. This room is so bright with these two 24 watts each lights. We have assembled the 6 fans so far. So we have a new echography machine at the clinic and the doctor is using it for the first time. There are twins. All these facilities now belong to the village. Together we can make this the #1 hospital in Madagascar with your help. A lot of medical equipment, hospital beds, delivery beds, chairs, tables, printer, safe. So we have to assemble things by just trying out things. So much bad shit and dirt. It's been almost 2 months since we started working at the hospital. We have painted the building with this nice sky blue and sea blue colors. We replaced all the previous old broken beds with the new beds. Cycled 61 countries, 68,000 kilometers in the past 10 years, but no country has affected me emotionally as much as did Madagascar. Staying at the hospital, staying in the village has made me very emotional to this place. Cycling is no longer on my mind at the moment. I'm trying what can be done more for the hospital and for the village. We'll see.